Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Fiston. Let's provide solution very quickly. Okay. We know that first thing is to copy what we have. We have x to the power of a 6, then minus a x cubed, which equals to 2. Okay. We know that a 6 is equal to 3 times a 2. So we can say x to the power of a 3 squared. Okay. Then minus x to the power of a 3, which equals to a 2. Right? So here we have x power 3 and here we have x power 3. So that we can write our x power 3 to be replaced by a t. Okay, so we have a t squared minus a t, which equals to 2. Okay, so our t squared minus a 2, okay, then minus a 2, which equals to a 0. Okay, and here we can find two numbers we can multiply together to get the product, okay, which is equal to negative 2, okay, and their sum is equals to negative 1. Two numbers we can multiply together to get this product, and their sum is equal to this one, okay. Here we have to choose negative 2 times 1, okay. So this will replace this t to get a t squared minus a 2t, okay, plus t minus a 2, which equals to a 0, okay. Here we can factorize a t to get a t minus a 2, whereas here we can multiply a 1 to get a t minus a 2, which equals to a 0, okay. Then our t plus a 1, okay, this one and this, then times a t minus a 2, which equals to a 0, okay. So our t plus 1 will be equals to a 0, or a t minus a 2 will be equals to a 0. So our t will be equals to negative 1, or our t will be equals to a 2. And then we know that our t is equals to x to the power of a 3, okay. So then our negative 1 is equals to negative x to the power of a 3, okay. By interchanging, we can say x to the power of 3 is equals to negative 1, okay. So that x to the power of 3 then plus 1 will be equals to a 0, okay. So our x power 3 plus this is equal to 1 power a 3, which is equal to a 0. 1 power 3 is equals to 1, okay. So this will be equals to a x plus 1 times x squared minus okay. Here we have x plus a 1, okay, minus x, okay, which equals to a 0. Right, so our x plus 1, okay, x plus 1 then, and x squared plus 1 minus x will be equals to a 0. Right, so our x will be equals to negative 1, okay, or x squared plus 1, okay, minus x will be equals to a 0, where x squared minus x plus 1, which is equals to 0, to mean that our A is equals to 1, our B is equals to negative 1, and our C is equals to a 1, okay? So our X, okay, is equals to negative B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over a 2A. Okay, so X will be equals to negative 1 is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1 times okay, 4AC is equal to 1, okay, then over a 2, so that our X here will be equals to 1, okay, 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 over a 2, right? Our X here will be equals to 1, okay, plus or minus I square root of a 3, okay, then over a 2, right? So we can come up to this one where our T here is equals to a 2, okay, so that we know our X power 3 is equals to a 2, okay, so then our X here will be equals to cubic root of a 2, okay, is equals to a cubic root of a 2. So we can verify we have x to the power of a 6 minus x cubed, which equals to a 2. So by checking to our first value of x, which is equal to negative 1, this will provide, okay, negative 1, okay, power a 6 minus negative 1 cube is equals to a 2 question mark, because we don't know, okay, any number which is equal to raised to the power of even number, this number will be equals to positive, so this is a positive 1, okay, and any number which is negative and is powered to an odd number, that number will stay be a negative, so here we have a negative 1, which is equals to 2, you don't know, okay, 1 then plus 1 will be equals to a 2, so that our 2 is equals to a 2. We can say our x here, which is equal to negative 1, okay, this is a solution, okay, so we can verify where x, which is equal to cubic root of a 2, whereas this is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over a 3. Don't forget this one, okay? Whereas here we have x to the power of 6, which is equal to a 2 to the power of 1 over 3, then power a 6 minus a 2 to the power of 1 over a 3, then power a 3 is equals to a 2. Okay? This is question mark, okay? So this will be equals to the power of 6 over a 3 minus a 2 to the power of 3 over 3 is equals a 2 question mark, okay? So 2 to the power of a 2, right? Then minus a 2 is equals to a 2 question mark. 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 minus a 2 is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to a 2. So, and this one is correct because left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you the next time.